Teaching is one of the most respected professions in the society. Every other career stems from the foundation the teachers built. Yet, in recent years, we have seen a shift. Fewer and fewer individuals are choosing to become teachers. After COVID-19 pandemic, many have turned away from this noble profession. But for society to grow, we need skilled teachers who can shape the future of our country.
That's why teacher training is more important than ever. Training programs equip teachers with the skills, knowledge, and tools they need to support students effectively and create positive learning environments. Let's take a look at why teacher training is crucial. Training helps teachers enhance their teaching skills, foster effective communication with students, build confidence in their role, incorporate technology into the classroom, meet educational standards, promote lifelong learning. At Focus Teacher Training Center, we offer a range of programs that prepare you to be the best educator you can be. Whether you prefer an online or face-to-face learning environment, we have the courses you need. Our pre-primary course covers For those looking for shorter, focused learning, our short-term course includes Our hands-on approach combines practical and theoretical learning. During weekdays, you'll gain real classroom experience. On Saturdays, you'll attend theory classes to build your knowledge and prepare for assessments. Trainees work closely with their trainers to develop detailed lesson plans that are both engaging and educational. This process helps trainees understand how to structure lessons effectively and meet their students' learning needs. Additionally, trainees build their portfolios to track their growth as educators, showcasing lesson plans, teaching aids, and personal reflections. This portfolio becomes a valuable tool for self-assessment and professional development, providing a concrete way to document their progress and achievements. Trainees observing the Endeavour department gain a deeper understanding of how the department supports students with special needs. They see how individualized programs are designed to address each student's unique challenges, such as communication, mobility, or learning difficulties. Experience is key. That's why we offer exposure visits to real classrooms, giving you the opportunity to observe teaching in action. Through classroom observation, you'll discover what works in real-world settings. This experience prepares you to become a confident and effective teacher. Collaborative learning is at the heart of our programs. Attend workshops and conferences to expand your skill set and collaborate with other educators. Our showcase event gives you the chance to present your growth, creativity, and teaching ideas. Share your lesson plans, teaching aids, and unique methods, and receive feedback from experienced educators. It's a celebration of your journey and progress.
Hello, I'm Tanya Zesani. This Focus Teacher Training course has helped me in different ways, such as understanding students' needs, learning different teaching methods, and it has also improved my communication skills and boosted my confidence level. I would definitely recommend this to people who are interested in teaching and love children. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anamano. Focus Teacher Training is crucial for all the aspiring teachers as it provides skills, knowledge, strategies needed for the effective teaching.
Start your journey to becoming an exceptional educator today. Join Focus Teacher Training Center, where we empower future teachers to create a brighter tomorrow.